Good day. This is Miss Jen. We're going to talk about lesson 8. So this lesson is about analyzing and solving problems involving series of operations. So we learned about the GM-DAS last lesson. In this case, you also learned about word problems when you're in 4th grade or 3rd grade. In this case, the word problem is not just one problem, but there's also other operations inside the word problem. That's why it's called a series of operations. So let's start. Manong and Anita bought 9 crates of mangoes. Each crate contains 100 mangoes, and she packed them into boxes of 12 mangoes each. How many boxes of mangoes will be left if she sells 50 boxes? So let us analyze the problem. When you say 9 crates of mangoes, that is 9 na box or lalagyanan. And each of that will have 100 of mangoes. So meaning, we're going to multiply 9 by 100 because each crate contains 100 mangoes. Then, Mang Ninita repacked them into 12 boxes. The answer we get for 9 and 900, we're going to divide that into 12 kasi nga hinati niya daw yung mga boxes na yun, yung mga mangoes na yun into 12 boxes. So, i-divide natin siya. So, let's put a different color. Yeah. And then, the question is, how many boxes of mangoes will be left if she sells 50 boxes? So, in this case, from the keywords that you research on your last activity, left means it's subtraction. So in this case, let's put another color. This is subtraction. So again, multiply, divide your answer, and then subtract. So as you can see, there are 3 operations in this word problem. So let's try it. So since we know that though we can not use parentheses here, but in order for us to know which goes first and so that we will not be confused, we put parentheses for multiplying 9 by 100. In this case, it's in a parenthesis, so we can therefore say that this goes first. So 9 times 100 is 900. Your answer then, since we have 2 operations now, division and subtraction, and we will use the MDAS rule, where division goes first before subtraction. We'll divide 12 by 900. So it says here it's 75, but for us to further understand, we're going to use the long division. So I have here 12 by 900. Pardon. 9. So how many 12 can you make in 90? We can do a times table chart of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. So as you can see, 96 is bigger now, so we're going to use 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say it's 7. 7 times 9 is 84. 90 minus 84, we have that's 6. and bring down the 0. So 12 divided by 60, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we have 75 here as the answer. So hindi niya lang hinulay. Then we just bring down the minus 50, and it's very easy. 75 minus 50, that is 25. Therefore, you have 25 boxes of mangoes, which will be left if Mang Ninita sells 50 boxes.